Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, what we're going to be talking about is something that I've been seeing quite a bit of news on recently, and that is the 23, almost $24 billion in option contracts for Bitcoin that are expiring in the next 3 days on December 26th. Now, I've seen a lot of misinformation about this, a lot of misunderstanding about what it really means. So I'm just going to break that down for you guys and really help you understand what's going on. So first, I want you to think about the entire crypto market as if it's a casino, all right? And specifically within that casino, there's a roulette table. Now, let's say there's $24 billion within that roulette table, all right? And the people who own that roulette table want to make the most amount of money as possible, right? The problem with this is the other people who are betting on the roulette table, most of them are betting on red. And what red corresponds to is the price of Bitcoin going up and being higher than what it is at today. Now, the obvious problem with this is the casino and the people who own that roulette table do not want to pay out those payments to all the people who are betting on the price of Bitcoin going up. So what they're going to do is that they're going to artificially push the price down of Bitcoin and nudge the ball onto black for the rest of this week so they don't have to make those payouts. This is exactly why the price of Bitcoin feels like it's stuck. Stuck within that 80 to 90K range, maybe a little bit higher. This is the exact reason. It's these large institutions that are trying to protect their wallets and make as much money as possible. Now, I want you guys to also understand the difference between organic and real selling versus artificial pressure. So real and organic selling would be caused by, something like a country banning crypto or a huge exchange getting hacked, something like that, right? That's not what we're seeing right now. What we're seeing right now is artificial downward pressure on prices caused by these large institutions. And another metaphor that I like to think about is imagine pushing down a beach ball underwater in the pool. I'm sure we've all done this, right? You push it down, but eventually when you release your hand, the ball pops back up, right? That's exactly what's going on with the market right now. These huge institutions are pushing down the prices and keeping them there until they expire worthless, so they can just collect all the premiums on the prices that people's paid. Now, once they release their hand there, the ball's going to pop back up, and we will see what the true direction of Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole will be. And I'm really excited for this, but it's really important to understand that you have to keep your emotions out of this. Stay rational. Don't get shaken out of your positions now just because of all this volatility in the market. And I think that the next 2 or 3 months will be very interesting for what's going to happen. Anyways, I hope you guys learned a little bit about what's going on in the market right now, and I will see you in the next one.